Namaste. Today we will do the dictation practice of exercise 53 and exercise 54 around 40 words per minute of the lesson 14 N and F hooks. Hope you all have done this chapter along with the exercises and the grammar logs. For grammar logs, I have made the separate video and the link of the video is mentioned in the description. I have already explained these exercises. Moreover, I have explained up to chapter 33 along with the book exercises and you will get the same from the channel playlist. For any doubts, feedback, please feel free to write in comment box and you can like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. I will dictate exercise 54 in continuation with exercise 53 so that you will get the practice to write the long paragraph in shorthand. So get ready everyone, let's begin. It may be difficult for you to follow the general principles upon which foreign business is carried on, but if you are to win your way in a firm which does business with the northern and southern states of America, you will have to try. No businessman, and above all, no businessman whose principal business is with foreigners can possibly leave this branch of economics from his training. If he should refrain because of a general dislike of the science, he will surely suffer in the long run. The truth of this has been shown over and over again within my own circle, and I speak for your advantage. The principles may appear difficult to follow, and if you imagine the task beyond you, it will prove so. But be brave, face the plain truth, and you will lighten the work and succeed, as you will deserve to succeed. Local authorities as borough and urban councils generally derive their main revenue from the rates they levy. They may, of course, receive profits from any business carried on by them within the borough. Over and above all this, they receive allowances from the state. Either man or women may appeal to the authorities, and they very often do if they think they have been unfairly assessed, but it will be difficult for them to obtain relief unless they are able to prove their case and satisfy the authorities as to a supposed overcharge. Stop. Now read your shorthand outline in English and check either from the book or from the screen. Thank you.